how to delete Yahoo Mail in bulk. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Quick Guide. If your inbox is overflowing and you want to clear some space, this video is right for you. Start by logging into your Yahoo Mail account. Firstly, go on any browser you have and type www.yahoo.com. Make sure that you are logged into your Yahoo Mail account. Once logged in, you will be appeared to this homepage. Tap on the mailbox-like icon in the upper right corner. After that, go to the specific folder containing the emails you want to delete in bulk. For instance, I have chose spam. Now, in order to delete the mails in bulk, click on this box as shown by the arrow. Click on the delete option. Before confirming the deleting message, make sure that all the emails you have selected is the unnecessary emails and you want to delete. Finally, click on OK and the messages will be deleted. This is how easily you can delete Yahoo Mail in bulk. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more informative contents. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on next one. Till then, stay tuned. Bye-bye.